Looking for the best Amazon Prime Day deals without overspending? In this video, we're counting down 8 Amazon must-haves that combine great value, solid quality, and everyday usefulness. Whether you're upgrading your setup, your home, or just hunting for smart bargains, there's something here for every budget. And remember, you'll find all the latest prices and links down in the description. Kicking off this list at number 8, we have the BagSmart Travel Duffel Bag, a surprisingly versatile option that feels like it was designed for people who are always on the move. What makes it stand out is its expandable bottom compartment, giving you extra space exactly when you need it without carrying a bulky bag all the time. Whether you're heading to the gym, packing for a weekend getaway, or looking for a reliable carry-on, it adapts to different situations with ease. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to carry, while the multiple compartments help keep everything organized instead of turning into one giant pile of clothes and accessories. It also folds down when not in use, which is great if you're short on storage space at home. For travelers and everyday users who want flexibility without spending a fortune, this is an easy choice that delivers far more practicality than its price might suggest. Coming in at number 7, we have the KastKing Spinning Reel, a great example of how far budget-friendly fishing gear has come in recent years. If you enjoy spending weekends on the water, this is the kind of upgrade that can make every cast feel smoother and more controlled without requiring a huge investment. The lightweight construction helps reduce fatigue during long fishing sessions, while the smooth drag system gives you more confidence when a bigger fish decides to put up a fight. It's suitable for a wide range of fishing styles, making it a practical option whether you're just getting started or looking for a dependable backup reel. Another thing anglers appreciate is how balanced and comfortable it feels in hand, especially during all-day use. While serious professionals may still prefer premium setups, for most recreational fishermen, this reel delivers an impressive combination of performance, reliability, and value that easily earns its place on this list. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. At number 6, we have a gadget that's perfect for anyone who loves spending time outdoors without giving up their music. This portable Bluetooth speaker from Wiley is more than just a speaker. It's the kind of device that becomes the center of a camping trip, beach day, backyard barbecue, or weekend adventure. The powerful sound helps fill open spaces much better than most compact speakers, while the rugged design gives you peace of mind when you're taking it somewhere less than ideal. One feature people will especially appreciate is the built-in wireless charging area on top, letting you top up your phone without carrying extra accessories. It also includes integrated lighting, which can be surprisingly useful when you're outdoors after sunset. The carry handle makes transportation simple, and the long battery life means less time worrying about charging. For anyone looking for entertainment, convenience, and portability in one package, this is an easy addition to the list. Halfway through the countdown, we have a product that blends everyday practicality with a classic design that looks far more expensive than it actually is. This laptop backpack is a great fit for students, commuters, remote workers, and anyone who carries their tech on a daily basis. Instead of constantly digging through one large compartment, the organized interior helps keep your laptop, charger, notebooks, and personal items neatly separated and easy to access. The padded shoulder straps make a noticeable difference during long days, especially if you're walking across campus, commuting to work, or traveling through airports. Another useful touch is the built-in USB charging port, allowing you to connect a power bank inside the bag and conveniently charge your devices on the go. It may not be designed for heavy outdoor adventures, but for everyday use, it strikes an excellent balance between comfort, storage, organization, and style, which is exactly why it earns the number 5 spot on our list. In 4th place, we have one of those tools that you probably don't think you need until you own it. The Hato electric rotary tool is designed for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and anyone who enjoys creating, repairing, or customizing things at home. What makes it so appealing is how much functionality it packs into such a compact and beginner-friendly design. Whether you're polishing metal, engraving wood, sanding small surfaces, sharpening tools, or working on detailed craft projects, it gives you the precision that larger tools often struggle to provide. The cordless design adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to work comfortably without being tied to an outlet or dealing with tangled cables. It also comes neatly organized with a wide range of accessories, making it easy to switch between tasks. While it's not intended for heavy-duty industrial work, for everyday projects and creative tasks, it offers an impressive mix of versatility, ease of use, and value that earns it a well-deserved spot near the top of this ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Taking the number 3 spot, we have a product that can completely change the way you experience your next vacation. This snorkeling mask and snorkel set is built for anyone who wants to spend less time adjusting gear and more time enjoying what's beneath the surface. One of the biggest advantages is the wide field of view, which makes underwater exploration feel much more immersive compared to smaller traditional masks. The tempered glass lens provides extra durability, while also delivering a clear, distortion-free look at coral reefs, marine life, and everything in between. Comfort is another major selling point, especially during longer sessions in the water, thanks to the secure fit and adjustable design. Whether you're planning a tropical getaway, a cruise excursion, or simply exploring local beaches, it offers a reliable and beginner-friendly experience. It may not replace professional diving equipment, but for casual snorkeling adventures, it delivers the comfort, visibility, and value most people are looking for. Just missing out on the top spot, this tablet case might look simple at first glance, but for parents, it can quickly become one of those purchases that pays for itself. Long road trips, flights, waiting rooms, restaurant visits, keeping kids entertained isn't always easy, and that's where this case really shines. Beyond protecting a tablet from drops, bumps, and the occasional accident, it includes a built-in stand and headrest mounting system that turns any car seat into a mini entertainment center. Instead of constantly handing the device back and forth or hearing, "Are we there yet?" every few minutes, kids can comfortably watch movies, play games, or follow educational content hands-free. The durable construction is designed to handle everyday abuse far better than a standard case, which can save you from expensive screen repairs later on. For families that travel regularly or simply want a more practical way to use a tablet with children, this is one of those affordable accessories that makes a surprisingly big difference. And finally, taking the number 1 position, we have a product that solves a problem almost every rider faces, but rarely thinks about until it becomes annoying. This Lamicall motorcycle phone mount is one of those accessories that instantly improves every ride by keeping navigation, music controls, and important information securely within view. What really makes it stand out is the locking system, which provides a much more secure hold than traditional mounts, helping keep your phone stable even on rough roads or higher speed rides. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring back roads on weekends, or following GPS directions through unfamiliar areas, having your phone positioned safely and conveniently can make the entire experience more enjoyable. Installation is quick, adjustments are simple, and the design allows easy access to your screen whenever needed. While there are plenty of phone mounts available, very few combine stability, ease of use, and everyday practicality this well. For motorcycle riders looking for a small upgrade with a surprisingly big impact, this is the standout pick of today's Prime Day Countdown.